Hi guys, PJ here. Today I'm working on a 2014 Fiat Stilo. I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the factory fitted radio and also go through the part numbers that you're going to need if you're installing a doubled-in aftermarket radio. Now, before following this video guide, please note that I am held no way liable or responsible for any injury to yourself or damage to your vehicle. To remove the radio, you're going to need two release keys like this. These are common keys available from any car shop or Amazon eBay. And all you're going to do is pop them in the little holes at the sides. Now, due to the age of these vehicles, sometimes the release mechanism on them can be broken. People have rammed a screwdriver or some sort of pin or a nail in the hole and knackered it up. If they have, it's going to be an absolute sod to get out. Normally you should just shove these in, prise them apart slightly and pop, the radio comes out. This particular one that I'm currently working on, somebody had already put something in the right hand side here and wrecked up the release mechanism. If that's the case, you're going to need a plastic leverage tool like this. These are available from eBay, Amazon, they're about £1. And all you're going to have to do is gently lever the top until you've got a bit of a gap. And then where the cage, if I just pull this forward, because I'll say I've already popped it because I had a load of trouble with it. Never goes smoothly, even for videos. What you're going to have to do is get yourself a thin flat blade screwdriver and slide it down the edge here. So you're going to have to make sure it pushes it in. And what that will do is push the cage away from the side so that these little locking tabs that you see sprung out here, so if I move the key out, there we go, spring back in. So in other words, you need these to be in, flushed in, and what the key does is push them in lock. So when you push your screwdriver down, you're attempting to push those in and pop the cage away. This is only if your stereo's stuck, so if it's stuck in place, that's what to do. If it isn't stuck in place, brilliant, you're very lucky, because I've known literally hundreds of these be stuck in place and they're an absolute pain in the neck sometimes, just bear that in mind. Cover your gear knob over because the back of it's steel and quite hefty, as you can see. There we go, on the back. We have a standard aerial connection which you just pull off, like so. It's the little gizmo here, normally works your steering controls and that type of thing. Just squeeze the tab on the side, pull it out. And then you've got two standard ISO blocks, little tabs on the side there, pinch and pull. Radio removed, leaves the original frame in place, as you can see. Fitting kit for this, I've got a Sounds on Top kit, that's who makes this, it's Connects 2, the company, and it's CT23FT01. This is for fitting a doubled-in aftermarket radio. In the box, flip the lid there, a replacement cage, a 100mm cage, standard ones are 113mm, so these are a bit narrower. This will replace the cage of your aftermarket radio. Your radio will come with a cage, but it's too big. You need a narrower one like this. This will fit on all your aftermarket doubled-in radios just fine. Some little mounting plates here. These screw to the side of the radio using the holes that are already pre-drilled in the radio and allow you to adjust the depth that it sits in the cage. Obviously you want it to sit nice and flush with the fascia. This is the fascia. The two halves, there's the cover plate. And there's the rear plate. Rear plate, as you can see, basically goes here. We removed the original metal. So there's 4 TX25s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide that out, pop that out the way you don't need it. And then it's simply a case of putting the backing plate in, putting your radio in, sliding all your cables through, and obviously wiring up the radio depending on which model you've got. Follow the instruction manual that comes with that radio. And guys, that's it. I'll wrap it up at that. That's how you remove the factory fitted radio from a Fiat Stilo, and included there is your part numbers for your fascia kit. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye for now.